Hello everybody, my name's Paul Tace. In this video we are quickly going to be looking over the rumours and the gossip around the new DJI MAVIC Air 2S. So let's get started. Okay guys, so actually I first heard about this when I went on Geeksvana. I'll drop a link to his channel down below. I just feel that's really respectful. I had no idea this drone would be potentially coming out until watching it on his channel. The second thing I want to point out is that all these documents have been published on the FCC website. I'll drop a link in the description down below. But this for me pretty much confirms that this drone is going to be coming out. Now if you are a manufacturer and you have any products coming out with a radio transmission, you are going to need to register with the FCC before it comes out. So what we can do is we can go onto the FCC website and look at this label. And on this label, it's going to give us a few details about the drone. I say it's not going to give us a lot, but it's enough to know that we've got a drone coming and what it's likely to be called. So if we look at the top here, we can see it says the DJI Air 2S, and this is likely to be the name of the drone. Now, having said that, when the Mini 2 came out, this name was slightly different and it was all in different code. But because it's such a plain and obvious way, I'd imagine this is likely to be the name of the drone when it does come out. The next thing we can look at is we can see the battery is 3500 milliamp hours, which is the same as the current MAVIC Air 2. So this would imply that it may be able to use the same battery, and it would also imply that it's probably going to look very similar to the MAVIC Air 2. Now, a few people that have leaked this have said that it's going to have a larger sensor and also just slightly better quality than the MAVIC Air 2. However, I personally cannot verify that. Now, if we come down a bit further in the bottom left-hand corner, we can see it actually says the UKCA next to this big C. Now, that may imply that this is going to come out with a C mark, which is something that all new drones coming out are going to have eventually. However, it is a bit early for a drone to come out with this, and this may not be possible. But because it does have the UKCA, whereas other drones did not have that mark in the bottom left-hand corner, this may imply it will come out with a C mark. So as I say, it's possible, but we don't know yet. So if we look that it looks like an upgrade of the MAVIC Air 2, it's probably going to have the same kind of battery. The likelihood is it's also probably going to be around the same weight. Now, the MAVIC Air 2 weighs just over 500 grams, and anything below 900 grams is going to put this drone in the C1 category if it does come out with a C mark, which means we'll be able to fly this close to people, possibly over them as well, just not intentionally. So it's a big if, but if this drone does come out with a C1 mark, this looks like a drone we're going to be able to fly close to people, just not directly over them intentionally. So this could be a really massive drone if we get everything we've got on the Air 2 slightly upgraded, but with pretty much similar freedoms to the Mini 2. We've got a pretty great drone here. So this could be something to get really excited about. Now, I spent a lot of money on drones, so I'm going to have to make a quick decision of whether I want to actually get this drone or not. I've got a feeling it's going to be more than £1,000 if you want the Fly More combo. I personally would guess we're going to be looking at around £1,250. That is just a complete guess, by the way. I've not got that from anywhere. I just know that the MAVIC Air 2, when it came out, was £1,000 for the whole package with the combo. So I would imagine that if you bought an upgraded version of that out, we're going to be looking around £1,250, £1,300. So although I'd be quite annoyed that I've just spent £1,000 on a MAVIC Air 2 and then they're going to bring out an upgraded version just a few months later, that's quite sad. But on the flip side, if there is that potential to have a drone that is going to have a pretty much almost the same freedom to be flown as the Mavic Mini 2, but with all the specs of a MAVIC Air 2 and slightly upgraded, such as having sensors and active track, that's a pretty great drone, and that's something that I'm quite excited about on the same aspect. Okay guys, so I say a lot of this is speculation. I'm pretty sure this drone is going to be coming out. We obviously just don't know the exact specs. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's just a rumor? Are you excited about this drone coming out? Or do you think it's going to be a massive flop? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay guys, so if you found this video useful, hitting the like button is a huge help to me as a creator. Hitting that subscribe button is an even bigger help. I'm almost at the 2K mark, which is really exciting for me, and I'm planning to do another giveaway when I hit this point. That's it for this video guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.